And it is through Paul Bogle rebellion, I must say, that the Jamaica Constabulary Force was established.
Long live Paul Bogle, long live St. Thomas. We want back the statue, we want back the courthouse.
It's a disgrace and I'm very disappointed. Definitely. I have been concerned about it for quite some time now, and I would have thought that the 60th year independence, we would have seen the restoration of our national hero, Paul Bogle, and also our courthouse. It's a national monument, so I would have thought that more effort would have been put in for the restoration of both the statue and the courthouse. As I said before, it's a national monument, and I think it's a disgrace, and I'm very disappointed. So I am calling on the powers that be to revisit such institution that of our courthouse and our national hero, who fought for the downtrodden and the uplifting of St. Thomas.
Thank you very much. Do you think the old Moran Courthouse should be restored and the Paul Bogle statue returned?
Yes, I strongly believe that it should and must be returned because it is one of the signature. It is the signature of the parish of St. Thomas, and Paul Bogle represents what he would have done for the parish. So having not a statue there, our generation to come would not be able to be knowledgeable of who is our hero from St. Thomas. So having that statue signifies a generational empowerment so that they know the significant work that Paul Bogle would have done here in the parish of St. Thomas. And it is through Paul Bogle rebellion, I must say, that the Jamaica Constabulary Force was established. And that is a very important and significant knowledge that others to come must know. So renovating of the courthouse must be done, and I hope that the powers may take it into consideration in their planning and execution, that they must find the time and energy and resources to really preserve our legacy and to rebuild our monumental infrastructure.
Thank you very much.
Of course, I truly agree. It was Paul Bogle who caused life-changing effect to the people of St. Thomas, and not only St. Thomas, to Jamaica, that there were reforms. And we need to have Paul Bogle's statue in our parish capital so that we can be reminded of him and the legacy that he has left behind us for our people of St. Thomas. Long live Paul Bogle, long live St. Thomas. We want back the statue, we want back the courthouse. Yes, a Paul Bogle statue to return to St. Thomas.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello everyone, hello St. Thomas, hello Jamaica.
Do you think the Moran Courthouse, that old courthouse, should be restored and the Paul Bogle statue returned?
I do believe that the courthouse and the general area within which all that historic activity took place should get a facelift and have much more of a modernized look now, because the Right Excellent Paul Bogle represents St. Thomas. It represents the essence of who we are, a people with dignity, a people who stand for what is right, a people who have through the years contributed to the fabric of the Jamaican society. There are so many things that have come out of St. Thomas that are only now coming to the light. My vision for this parish, which made me, Sean C. Harrison, all that I am, all who I am, the teachers, the community members, everyone who played a part in who I am today is from St. Thomas, or a major part is from St. Thomas. And I want to thank them all, and I want to let the world know St. Thomas is the place. St. Thomas is the place to be and will be. I believe, in my mind's eye, I see for St. Thomas much greater things to come.
Oh, sure. It is a unique and a very significant milestone within the parish, and it should be restored from what it is now to something more presentable that for future our children, and we can see what has been here for as we continue along life journey. It will be a very significant milestone and a landmark for the parish.
Thank you very much.